Alright guys, it is March 2nd, 2018, a Friday. We got hammered pretty good last night. Got maybe 4 to 6 inches of heavy wet snow. It's hovering right around freezing right now, 31, 32 degrees. So this stuff is just wet and heavy. We got about an inch of rain last night, through the day. And then it turned to snow overnight. So it's just, it's been tough to push. The truck isn't gripping too well. I'm kind of sliding everywhere. So it's been a little slow, but it's just before 5:30, about halfway through the route, just heading to the first commercial lot. I'm gonna do that, then salt that. Then I got about 4 driveways after that. And then I'm actually gonna go back and switch trucks because I think on the parking lots and stuff it'll be better to have the bigger truck and the V-plow, because this one's just kind of sliding all over the place. So we'll check back in once that happens. About to put some salt down. Doesn't really need it, but it's still kind of snowing, so I'm kind of trying to prevent the snow from sticking so I have to come back. So see how that goes. Give it some speed here. See how far we can throw this. Here we go. Woo! Snobby. Alright, it's Saturday, day after the storm. I got my own stuff to tend to now. Still got to shovel off all my stuff, plow my own driveways, get all that shit done. I usually never really do that stuff. I do it for everyone else and then come home and I'm too tired to do it for myself. So I'm going to hit that today and clear everything off. It's a nice day. A little chilly, but sunny. So check back in a little bit. Problem. There's something living under my deck, and I think it's starting to work its way into my house. Because yesterday, sitting on the couch, heard something big moving through the walls and underneath the floor. And out here today, shoveling, kind of smells like a skunk. So gonna have to start digging in there and figuring out what that is. It's always something, man. Bought this house maybe three and a half years ago. It's a great house, but man, there is always just something to do, something to fix, something wrong. I don't know. I'm sure anyone who owns a house can feel the same way. But have to start maybe diving in that tomorrow. Start ripping up the deck and see what I can find under there. Our plan is to actually rip this deck up in the summer, do a little patio, and kind of make the yard a little bit bigger for the dogs and my daughter. So maybe just get a little bit of head start on that here and fix the rodent problem too. So we'll see how eager I am to do that tomorrow. So I want to show you guys here why I wash down my stuff almost every time it snows. After every snow event, I usually head up to that wash my stuff down. Here's why. So my two plows, they are exactly the same age. The V plow I bought brand new, 6 years old. This straight blade I bought used from a guy, 6 years old. This is my first year owning it. I don't know how well the guy took care of it before I did, but I just want to show you something. So this plow, look how rusty it is. There's rust everywhere. Rust here on the springs, rust up here. This is all rusting out. I mean, there's just rust everywhere. Now look at mine. Same age, same usage. Hardly any rust. Got a little bit of rust down here. Springs are a little rusted. But other than that, no rust whatsoever. Wash your stuff off. Also, branding. Look at that. Name on the plow. Boom. Name on the plow. Back here, just added this. Boom. Name on the tailgate. Put your name on everything, man. People got to know who you are. Boom. Name on the mower. Oh, those fell off. I'll get new ones on there. Boom. Name on the mower. Just pick these up, man. I get 10 a year. Every piece of equipment gets one. Put your name on stuff. People got to know who you are. How are they going to know who you are? Put your name on shit.